Hello, Adam,
Good afternoon, John.
and we welcome you to Wahawk Talk this Friday, April 6th.
Collection is happening now for the House of Hope. Acceptable donations include bottled water, powdered drink mixes, granola bars, microwavable soups, cereal, peanut butter and jelly, crackers, laundry detergent, laundry bags, new or used clothing, etc. Please bring items to the counseling office.
The 2018 Senior Honors Assembly will be May 11th at 12:30 p.m. in the auditorium. Seniors, if you have been awarded a scholarship you plan to accept, email Mrs. Wasp by May 1st to have it included in the reported senior scholarships handout.
Tomorrow's events: boys soccer at Hudson 9 a.m., girls tennis versus Xavier 9 a.m., boys tennis at Xavier 9 a.m.
Girls tennis versus Linn-Mar at 1 p.m. Boys tennis at Linn-Mar at 1 p.m.
Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next time.
Have a great day. Be West.